welcome back to the channel. It's me, Searbear, and if you're new here, my name is Searbear. It is so nice to meet you. Ding, 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 ding. I am back today with another recipe from the Adventure Time Cookbook. Sarah, it's been a minute. Shut up, I know, okay? But we're here. We're here for another recipe from here. The recipes that have been suggested in the cookbook are the ones that require a lot of work. I'm so sorry I've taken so long with that. That's all I got for y'all. But it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. I just need to gather the energy. Sarah, what are we making today? That's the question I want to hear from you. We are making sausage breakfast party pizza. Wow, by Party God. We got all caps because he's just a hype fellow. Wait, there's a picture here somewhere. There it is. Whoa, here's how it's supposed to look like. I didn't get sausages that big. I got teeny tiny ones, so... But I got a lot, so it's going to be all over the pizza, so... You know? So that's what we're making today. We do, of course, have a thing right up here, and then we don't really have a quote or anything right down here, so... Cool. And there's only 10 steps, but it's bread. It involves bread. So in my mind, that goes up to 20 steps. Let's see what it says right up here. Pizza! Yes, if the party is to live, then to eat pizza is the breed. But what happens if you party too far into the morning to eat normal, delicious lunch or dinner pizza? Easy, you add some eggs and breakfast meats on the pizza and then pizza party your way through the morning. A breakfast pizza makes you master of the day. You refuse the rules. You eat pizza for breakfast. You're so cool. I'm sorry, that was perfect. That was perfect. Okay. So let's go ahead and see what we have to do. I made pizza a couple times on here before, so, but it's been a very hot minute since I've last made pizza, so I don't know. And it's been a very hot minute since I've last made bread, so I'm not confident in those abilities at all, but I think it's gonna go well. Plus it's breakfast pizza, and I love breakfast pizza. I don't think it's gonna go too bad. I think it's just gonna be time consuming. That's the only part where I'm like, it's gonna take forever. But not really, it's just sitting. It's letting the dough sit and rest. And it said a stand mixer on here. I am the stand mixer, so I also want to get a stand mixer one day. One day soon, maybe. I don't know, it's expensive. We'll see if I can convince myself to buy it. Okay, let's get started. All right, and here are the ingredients. Wow. Combine flour, sugar, yeast, and salt in a stand mixer bowl. Connect dough hook attachment to the mixer. While the machine is on slow speed, add water, rosemary, sage, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Adjust the mixer to its medium speed and allow dough to form a ball and pull away from the mixing bowl for 3 to 4 minutes. Cover the bowl in plastic wrap and place to rest in a warm spot, allowing dough to double in size. Turn the dough out into a flying floured surface. Divide it into 2 equal pieces and roll it into a ball shape. Cover each with kitchen towel or plastic wrap and let them sit rest for 10 minutes before rolling out to the pizza dough. I realized I did this part wrong, so let's put them together. It said divide into 2 equal pieces. I did. I should put them together. Preheat the oven to 450. Gently pound out the dough into a round disc and roll out until you have a 10 to 12 inch round. Transfer to a round pizza pan or greased baking sheet. Spread on pizza sauce and sprinkle cheese, sausage, and green onion on top. Dude, that looks like a fucking pizza. Sausage. I am adding a fuck ton of sausage, so we're just gonna throw them everywhere. Whatever. If it gets to the edge of the pizza, it gets to the edge of the pizza. Every bite's gonna have a sausage because it didn't get bigger. When I say, oh my god, that's maybe too many sausage, then I'll stop. Okay, this might be too much. Crack 2 large eggs on each half of pizza dough. Crack an egg on each side. Ah! I don't know why I did that way. Place in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes until bottom of pizza is crisp but not burnt. Brother, what the fuck? Brother, what the fuck is this? Look, it's so raised. I didn't put it down more on the pizza part, and now it's just a big bread. Big old bread. Oy. Ay, ay, ay. What a disaster. This is a disaster. Y'all. Y'all, look at this. Is it too much sausage? Is it too much sausage? Is that a grease pile over there? Gross. I mean, pizza's greasy. Y'all. Here's what it's supposed to look like. And here's the review. It doesn't look like pizza. Oh, this is hot. Why am I doing that? Brother, why? It's so ugly. Look, it looks like eyeballs. I'm gonna put a sad face because I'm feeling a little sad. I should have. I really should have. Anyway, I'm gonna let this cool now and just silently cry. I threw it into the oven for a couple more minutes and it's still pretty sloshy. Ah! That was dumb. Why did I do that? Dude, I burned my thumb. Okay, so I'm gonna avoid cutting this, but I don't know. I need to cut all 8 pieces. Shit. Look at these busted ass pieces, dude. I'll do over here. Right in the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Yeah, I remember that though, being a trend. Ah! The thick ass piece of pizza. Oh my god, look how thick it is. Into the thick of it. Oh! Okay, let's just move you over here. Dude, it's so thick. Here they are. Ay, ay, ay. Look at that. Here they are. Now it's time to try them. See how it goes. Okay, this is what it looks like.
That looks fine.
It looks ugly. Okay. Oh.
I'm just waiting for that to happen.
Okay. Yeah, okay, it's not that bad. Well, that turned out ugly. It tasted good though, but it turned out ugly. I'm gonna need to master the pizza arts a little bit before I can test this out with actual people to try, besides like Mr. Bear, of course. But yep, that's pizza. As I predicted, it was just waiting on the dough, which actually wasn't too bad. I left it for like 2 hours, and I feel like that was enough time. It didn't specify in the book. Sometimes they do specify in the directions or whatever, but I don't know. But anyway, yay! Thank you so much to Tila for the recommendation on the next recipe to try, which is this. It turned out awesome. Thank you for being patient with me, as always, because I just take forever in between these. But yeah, that's it. What did you guys think? This is not my first pizza, and you know, I think I only make pizza once a year. I should do it more often. Let me know if you want a pizza series. Pizza! There's a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles pizza cookbook. FYI, I don't know, something you might be interested in. I haven't bought it because I don't know if I'm interested in it yet. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. Let me know how you guys make your pizzas. Is there like a go-to recipe that you guys do for at-home pizza, or do you always just like order it out? I'll be honest, I always order it out. Sometimes, very rarely, we'll get the frozen ones. Just pop it in the oven, even though it's honestly cheaper. But yeah. I like all kinds of pizza. I'm the kind of person who likes supreme pizza. So I like all of it, besides tomatoes. I don't like tomatoes on my pizza. But the sauce is tomatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and go. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it into the end. If there's anything that you guys want me to make from the Adventure Time cookbook, there's a list of options right here for you. Pause to read if you need. We have done so many recipes from here, and I'm just like I'm really happy with how much, because I never thought I'd be able to get through this many recipes in any cookbook ever, because I'm a half-assed person, so hell yeah, brother. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. I'm not, you're in charge of yourself. Okay, bye!